Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this beautiful TR250 which is for sale. It's a really good find, so I don't want any of you to miss it, and I also want to help the owner sell it. So it is, I believe 1968 TR250, perfectly restored. I actually saw it in a shop during the restoration when they were doing some body work on it. It's very well done. I believe it has 27,000 original miles on it. So that looks great. Well, now that we're here, let's show you the interior. So it has Miata seats. Interior is brand new everywhere. Retro sound radio. Beautiful dash. Here, what does it have? SU carburetors, obviously. Powder coated intake. Exhaust headers. The period correct bumblebee hoses. I just replaced the water pump because it had a small leak. So that's done. Looks like a new master cylinder, and judging by the color, I believe this is .5 brake fluid. Stainless steel radiator shroud, fuel shut-off valve, spin-on oil filter adapter. I'm just draining the oil because we're changing the oil currently. Let's go underneath. Underneath there's a lot to see. First, a brand new Radco frame, vented front disc brakes, calipers. I don't know what these calipers are, but they're some kind of an upgrade. The engine is the normal engine, but Toyota 5-speed transmission. I believe stainless steel exhaust. I'm not really sure. Look at the Radco frame, everything is so nice and solid. Adjustable trailing arm brackets, good parts. Rear disc brakes with all the calipers are wheel wood anyway. So did we say rear disc brakes? CV axles. I believe these are by good parts. And of course Nissan differential. So it's just a fantastic car. Once I change the oil, I'm gonna start it for you so you can hear it running. But you can see it's beautifully restored. The tires are, what does it say? BF Goodrich Silvertown radio, 205 65 R15. The wheels are VTO, beautiful wheels as well. The top is in a great shape. So just a beautiful car. So anyways, that's it. I just wanted to show it to you. If you're interested, contact me and I will put you in touch with the owner. He wants 50,000 Canadian dollars for it. So here she is outside, so you can see her stance, and with the engine running. So it is up to working temperature now, and it's still holding at 75 psi, the oil pressure. Nice plumbing. Really responsive. I would take you for a drive with it, but I don't want to take it out on the road because I don't have $50,000 to spare. You know what I mean? So I'm not taking her for a drive. But yeah, she is great. So if you're interested, contact me. I'll put you in touch with the owner, and you can go from there.